Hey kids, let's check out this cool educational video for kids with toy hand tools. But where are the tools? Oh, there they are. All right, let's take a look and let's go. Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club. Let's go. Check out the clamp. Pretty cool, different tool. Clamp. Whoa, check out that set of wrenches. Those are awesome. Let's see what we have up next. Oh, it's a gorilla. Gorillas are super hairy. He doesn't look very happy. A metal saw. This saw cuts through metal. Whoa. Hey, check out the screws. You use screws to attach things together. Pretty cool. Oh, look at those giraffes. That's an adjustable wrench with a bolt and a lug nut. And that's how you tighten the lug nut. That's pretty neat. Two-sided wrench. You can use both sides. That is amazing. What kind of tool do we have up next? It's a monster truck. Whoa, look at that monster truck. It looks like a dog. I wonder if it would bite. What do we have up next? Oh, check out the monkeys. He's awfully cute. Whoa, check out the bulldozer. Digger. Check out that tractor. That is really green. That's a cool tractor. Whoa, look at that tiger. Tigers are huge. Power drill. You gotta have a battery to make these work.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the